No way. KO! But is it enough to defeat Wyatt here?
Momentum is fully in the corner of Randy Orton now.
Vintage Orton on display a moment ago.
Oh, I don't like this situation, guys. Oh, and a twist of fate!
From way up high. A wonderful replay of that move from Matt Hardy.
Competitor Triple H setting it up.
Pedigree from the ropes.
That was insane!
Wow, let's see that again. Oh, Bayley is going up to the top.
But can they turn that into a win?
But now can Bayley capitalize?
Look at Bayley here with the emphatic offense. Olympic slam! Nice!
Now that is an exclamation point. Kurt Angle can draw the curtains on this fight. Let's look at this again.
With real in-ring talent who can't seem to stop himself.
Elias setting it up.
Oh, boy.
Swinging neckbreaker connects. The pay window beckons. Elias better not waste this opportunity.
We got to take a look at what Elias just did.
Where's Cena going to go here? What's he going to do?
I don't know.
Oh, my God. Cena.
No way.
Second rope. What an AA! Big move. Oh, man, Dolph Ziggler really needs to dig down deep.
Let's take another look at this. Up top.
Avalanche rip.
Lights out. Good luck getting up from that.
Oh, man, Ronda Rousey doesn't even know where she is.
Paige with a big move that we just have to see again. He's looking to end this.
He's got to do it quick.
Oh, jarring.
I think Ali just secured this match.
Another amazing look at Ali's athleticism.
Here we go. This is going to be it. If this lands, it is over.
On the top rope. This is insane. That puts him in total control. Oh, man, Big Show is in trouble now.
Wow, let's see that again.